Okay, so this first game is called Pigbang. Now, if you're a fan of TF2 or any other capture the flag type games, you're definitely going to love this game. I think this has been the most fun game that I've played in a while. It's a massive multiplayer online game, and it's really just fun to get into. Now, it's not the most polished game out there, it definitely freezes at times and has some bugs that need to be worked out, but the overall gameplay is very engaging. What you do is you choose between 1 of 3 characters, and each character has its own special ability. Now, the goal is to capture the flag of the other team, just like within any game. Along the way, you can also build your own sentry bots or turrets on your base station to help you kill other players. And depending on your character, you have an assortment of different weapons to choose from. Like I said, overall it's a very good game, lots of stuff happening on the screen, very engaging, and definitely a great way to pass the time if you're into these type of games. This next game is an early access game, and it's called Lego Go Build. So I like this game just because I always loved playing with Legos, and this definitely brings back some nostalgia for me. So the concept of this game is very simple. You build the characters that it displays on the screen using Legos. Now if you want more of a challenge, you can turn off the shadow character so you're building it right from scratch. Now I will admit, this game is a little bit too slow for me. I typically like more action-paced games, so this is something I probably want to play a lot, but if I'm looking for something that's more of a strategy and something that involves some more creativity, this is definitely one of the go-to games for that. Now they also have another build feature where they'll build a character and you can guess what it is. And when you guess right, you can unlock new characters that you can build. Overall, it's a really good game, very unique, and definitely brings back the fun with playing with Legos right on your smartphone. The next game is called CarX Drift Racing. Now this is not just any other racing game. One of the reasons that I really like this game is the graphic quality. It is very good. This looks like a console quality game. The way the light reflects off the car, and even the smoke particle effects, it looks so good for a mobile game. I honestly pay more attention to that than the actual gameplay. But the actual gameplay is also fun. I mean, basically, you just have to drift and create points, and you can do combo points as you drift along. There's also a multiplayer mode where you can drift against other players. Now this is another game with really good graphics. It's called ShadowMatic. The goal of this game is to rotate the object in a light to create the shadow of a recognizable object. Now along the way you can get hints for what it is. These hints will cost you points, but it's really fun when you can guess it on your own. Now going back to the graphics, this game really amazes me. When you turn the graphic quality all the way up, you just see everything. It's amazing at how detailed it looks with the light reflecting off the object, creating the shadows, all the other shadows going on, the texture. Again, this is another game that looks like it could be console quality on your phone. It is really good looking. The final game on the list is called Katz Crash Arena. Now this is not a really hands-on game, it's more of a passive game. So what you do basically is you create these cat bots or cat, whatever you want to call them, cat machines that you put your cat in. And these machines battle against other machines. Now depending on where you put your parts and what parts you choose, you could win or lose the battle. And if you win a battle, you gain up points to unlock new devices that can attach to your machine. Like I said, this is not a very hands-on game. It's more of you just put stuff together, watch what happens, and just keep going along with it. But overall, if you're looking to pass the time, it's definitely a fun game. So guys, these have been the top 5 Android games round 1 of June 2017. Leave a comment down below about which game you liked the most. If you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go and follow me on social media. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for another galvanizing video. Thanks.